Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Spectrum TV app not working on TV, update, clear cache and reinstall fix. The most common reason the Spectrum TV app stops working on a smart TV or streaming device is an IP authentication mismatch or a corrupted network cache. Because the app checks your physical location via your internet connection, a simple home network restart fixes most errors instantly. Here are some quick fix checklists. Try these first. First, verify your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your smart TV is connected specifically to your Spectrum home Wi-Fi network. Channels will lock or throw errors if you are on guest network, mobile hotspot, or VPN. Next, perform a TV soft reset. Do not just turn the TV off with the remote, unplug the television's power cable from the wall outlet for 60 seconds, then plug it back into the flush out frozen system memory. Third, reboot your modem and router. Unplug your internet modem and router for 30 seconds, then plug them back in and wait until all indicator lights are solid before launching the app again. Here are some advanced troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Reinstall or refresh the app. Open your TV's app or settings menu and locate the Spectrum TV app from your install download directories. Now select delete or uninstall. Note, on some platforms like the Samsung TVs, if delete is grayed out, highlight the app and select reinstall instead. Now go back to your device's app store, search for Spectrum TV and download a fresh copy. Here are some devices, key buttons and steps to perform it. For Samsung TV, options is three dot slash arrow. Press the home button on remote, go to apps, find Spectrum, then tap options and select delete slash uninstall. For Roku, the star button. Press the home button on remote, then go to Spectrum app, press the star and then tap on remove channel and click confirm. Now for Fire Sticks, menu, three lines. Press the home button on remote, then go to apps and highlight Spectrum. Now click menu button and install and then confirm. Step 2, clear storage cache, Roku Fire TV and Android TV. For Roku, press home 5 times, up 1 time, rewind 2 times, and fast forward 2 times on your remote control to trigger a secret cache clearing reboot sequence. For Fire TV slash Android TV, go to settings, then go to applications, click on manage installed application, then go to Spectrum TV and click clear cache followed by clear data. For Android TV, the Sony TCL, Hisense, etc. Two methods are there. First, system part. Go to settings, then tap on apps, in it go to system apps, and from there select clear data and then clear cache. Next is the storage path. Go to settings, tap on device preferences, go to storage, and from there select internal shared storage, then scroll to cache data, then tap on clear cache data and click OK. Step 3. Check for device system updates. Open your TV Central Settings module, scroll to Support System or About panel. From there, select Software Update and choose Update Now. Keep your TV powered on until the firmware update finishes processing. Roku, TVs and streaming devices. Press Home on your Roku remote. Scroll to Settings and select it. From there, choose System and select Software Update or System Update and press Check Now. If an update is available, your device will download and install it automatically. The TV may restart during the process. Next, Fire Stick, all models, the 4K Light Cube. From the home screen, go to Settings, then select My Fire TV or device software on newer models and choose About. Then select Check for System Update or Install Update. If up to date, shows your Fire TV is up to date with current version. If update is available, shows version numbers. From there, select Install Update. The update takes 5 to 15 minutes and the device restarts automatically. Never unplug during installation. Android TV, Google TV, Sony, TCL, Hisense. Method 1. Device preferences path. Press home button on remote, navigate to settings and select device preference or system. Then click about and choose system update. The TV checks automatically, then follow prompts to download/install. Method 2. System path. Go to settings, tap on system, click about, then go to system update and check for update. Updates install automatically if available. Now how to decode common error codes. Error code RGE1001 DVS1001 caused by app connectivity or network timeout issues. Simply to fix this, restart your router and check the Spectrum service outage map to verify local network status. Error code WLI 9000 indicates you have exceeded your maximum video stream allocations. So shut down the Spectrum app running on secondary tablets, phones, or computers in your house to resolve it. Error codes HL1000 or LCM1000 are triggered by missing firmware configuration dependencies. Manually trigger a software update check on your smart TV hardware settings check to fix the issue. Error code net1000 means you have a disconnected local area network layout. Toggle your TV's internal Wi-Fi adapter off and back on again, or connect a physical Ethernet cable to clear it. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.